Hello friends, hope you're doing good. Today I'll show you how to block any number on iPhone. So why you want to block your any number? If someone disturbing to you, then you should block this number. So now I'll show you on iPhone. If you new iPhone user or existing, so if you need to learn, then you should keep with me. Stay with me. Then you can learn how you can block any number. So let's start. So first you can just tap on call icon. Then you can just tap contract. All right. Then you can choose the number who you disturbing you. So just you can just tap on. For example, I just onto this number, Abdul Qayyum. Then I just tap Abdul Qayyum. Okay. So now I want to block on this number. Then you can just tap on block caller. Then I just tap. Then you just confirm block contract. That's it. This number already blocked. So if you want to unblock this number, then you can just tap again unblock caller. So that's it. Please subscribe this channel and hit the like button if you like this video. Thanks for the watching.